heat on. Just like the light will start to go off. Just to make sure the furnace is able to turn on or shut off. So this is a test to turn the furnace on with copper heat. This is the first test. First prong was the igniter was shorted, which is this one. You can get this one replaced, and it was able to ignite it. So second prong was found that somebody matched up this control board, and they rewired the wrong wires. So I have to rewire the whole wires on the circuit board, and then replace the thermostat. Somebody messed up before. Somebody came in and then did the incorrect cable connections here. So I rewrote and connect all the proper wires to what it should be. This is the final test. It is working. Awesome. So it has heat there, and the furnace doing what it's supposed to do. So it is good news. Just good to see the nice, clear, plain blue frame like this. We don't want any orange. Nice blue frame. Good job, congratulations. Fix the furnace. This one does have a 2-stage. This one is a 2-stage furnace. Which is 2 speeds.